Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to unpair your earbuds QCY MeloBuds Pro from your MacBook. You have to start by press one time at the Bluetooth button at the top. But if you don't have this icon, go to the control panel and click at the Bluetooth here. Then go to the settings. And now, at the device list, click the information icon near to your earbuds. At the left side in this window we have Forget this device button. You need to click at this button. But if you want to only stop Bluetooth connection with your earbuds, but leave them at the device list to reconnect them in the future, click at the disconnect. Because with Forget this device we will totally remove them from the MacBook. So let's do this. Forget this device and forget device. Now we can put these earbuds to the charging case to turn off them. And then close the case. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to channel and leave the like on the video. See you later.